everyone. We see dreams, potential, and aspiration, but sometimes life throws us curveballs. Sometimes their traditional path to education is not the one we get to take. Maybe it was due to financial constraints, family responsibilities, or simply not fitting the mold of a certain time. We look for opportunities, especially in education. And ALS, or the Alternative Learning System, is the kind of program that bridges that gap for all the learners who want to continue their learnings despite these problems.
Saan po kayo nag-aaral?
Para marunong magsulat.
Para marunong magsulat?
Ang pangalan.
Bakit po gusto ninyong matutong magsulat ng pangalan?
Marunong magbilang ang kaitanong surat. Para hindi magloko sa amin. Sa akin ang mga tao.
Paano niluluko?
Magpabili ang mga saging.
Tapos?
Kulang pa. Marami pa sana. Kung alimbawa magdala ng saging, kaunti lang ang binigay.
Why ALS is important? Because education is a fundamental right, not a privilege. It is the key that unlocks opportunities, empowers individuals, and strengthens our communities. ALS provides learners with essential literacy, numeracy, and life skills. It equips them to find better jobs, participate more actively in society, and build brighter futures for themselves and their families.
Education is a journey, not a straight line. ALS provide that crucial alternative route, ensuring no one is left behind.
Let's work together to champion ALS
and empower our learners. Kuyog kita sa paglambol sa edukasyon, pinaagi sa Alternative Learning System.